Located up in the mountains of Don Salvador Benedicto, is a one-of-a-kind dining experience by a restaurant that features a unique cuisine, stunning views, and a cultural exploration. This is Kusinata. The municipality of Don Salvador Benedicto, or what is fondly called DSB, is home to abundant flora and fauna. Today, it is one of the most popular tourist spots in the province. Nothing beats its cold breeze, breathtaking panoramic landscapes, and proximity to nature. Over the years, it has attracted many businesses and is now lined with resorts and restaurants that offer a relaxing and scenic escape not too far from the city. One of these iconic establishments is Kosinata.
Kung nakuha ko, test the cookery course NC2. Nag-amo ko na for 40 days. Then nag-OJT ko sa isa ka prestigious nga lugar sa Tagaytay. During that time, si mom ko, grabe na siya ka-involved na di sa ata. And then it came to a point where mom had a friend nga chef from Bacolod, si Chef Inan. Naging sugod nila ang Kusinata together with ang isa ko cousin, si Chef David. And sila gid ang nag-pioneer sang start sang Kusinata.
While Jay was in Tagaytay, we were having our medical missions, mga workshops sa livelihood nila. So many outreach activities. I noticed that we really do not address their need for that is food on their table every day. Chef Inan started with a knifing skills seminar. Said, yeah, why don't we open a restaurant? Said, I don't know about running a restaurant since I work in a bank. Said, I'll take care of the kitchen, you'll take care of the dining. So we started with 20 seats lang gidya, just to provide a sustainable livelihood for the atas.
Diri sa Kusinata, ang gina-required nila, isa ka ka-IP or isa ka ka-ata, and then willing ka nga magbulig sa ila kay para buligan ka Manila.
From there, doon nag-blossom lang into this, what it is now.
Sitting on a cliff with a direct view of waterfalls amidst the lush forest, Kosinata sets itself apart with its original take on food. The dishes are a fusion of modern and traditional elements with several ingredients just foraged around the vicinity.
Ang pako-pako is wild fern or fiddlehead fern na siya. What they do is they forage it sa forest, and then it's all just initially free, kaya ginahatag lang. Pero nag-task na lang kami nga, baklo ni namon sa inyo para extra pag gini sa inyo. It just unfolded nga from the salad. Ang mga tao, curious man, mga guests namon diri. Ang common folk sa mga syudad, close to zero idea about it. If hindi tungod sa ata, nga impart man sa ilang knowledge about sa mga food na makita sa lasang. Wala man ko kabalo sa muna. So dako gid ang akon pasalamatan sa mga ata nga naga-teach man sang ila ways, paano anong edible, and dako gid yan natudlo nila sa akon. Bilang isa ka amateur chef lang who's starting out before, eye-opener siya balaw.
But food isn't the only thing special about Kusinata. Beyond the culinary affair is a heartfelt advocacy that became its very core and driving force.
So initially, I was a psych student in LaSalle. And for our graduating thesis, our group was tasked to have a thesis about the Ata tribe. Me and my family were already here, and it only made sense to me to do a study where we were living at the time. Our thesis was about the self-esteem of the Ata youth in Don Salvador. And what we found out was the Ata youth had very low self-esteem. And when I was here, being involved with them, immersed with them, I guess my parents were interested in what we were doing, and we thought, how can we increase or at least uplift their self-esteem through a little project. Na-realize namon nga mas mayo nga give na lang kami livelihood where ara sila sa lugar where maka-interact sila with people sa Bacolod, mga taga-syudad. Throughout time, and throughout sige-sige lang nga service, na-build yun ila confidence as compared, 6 years ago compared to today. Dako gyud difference in terms kung paano na sila mag-interact with people, mas confident sila, mas empowered sila.
Actually, we didn't know that there are atas here until naghambal ang NCIP. Nga, you don't have to go somewhere else pa. May ara na sa Don Salvador. So that's why, dito yan na nakitaan nga may ata. Nag-immerse to siya for a couple of days to really get to know the community and understand them.
Sang una, ang mahambal ko man ang amon life, grabe gid ang diskriminasyon nga bala sa amon sa mga estudyante pa kami. Isa gid nga grabe gid nga kasakit bala nang mabatian mo nga ginahambalan ka ata. Nabalang ata sang nukos.
Dako gid nga part ang mga ga-collaborate sa amon nga mga chefs in the past. Sila man mismo ang nag-volunteer to help us out. They understood what we were doing here and hindi lang siya for profit, but ang sole purpose is maka-help lang. And throughout the years, 6 years na kami, it's always been pagid mga ubra namon, pagid nga makapamayo sang ila pangabuhi diri sa mga ata.
After gintukod ang Kusinata, ako mismo makahambal nga wala kami iniskwelahan nga dako. Pero ara ang Kusinata nagbulig sa amon nga para maka-istorya or maka-level up bala kung sino ang dapat namon istoryahon. Unlike sa iban nga company nga kinanglan with pleasing personality, and then kinanglan may experience, kinanglan edukado. Subong, ang amon nga mga kabataan, may ara na ga eleskwela. Like sa akon kabataan, may ara na ko sa Nunescos, may ara ko college, and then may ara man ko graduate. Ang amon kabataan, lain na ang pagpangabuhi nila kaysa amon sang una. Kami nga mga parents, kabalo na kami kung anho namon sila para lang maedukar sila. And then, pero proud gyapon sila nga isa sila sa mga ata. Kay biskan pamangkuton mo sila, makasabat sila kung ano sila. Palananaw namon nga mga iloy kag amay, ang gusto ginamon sa amon mga kabataan nga kung ano ang nalabot namon subong nga mag-atubang sa mga tao. Mas lampasan pa nila kag mangin edukado pagid sila.
The Ata community of DSB played a significant role in shaping Kosinata to what it is today, and they will continue to do so in the future as they dive into further action to help preserve local heritage and promote available resources.
Amo gani na nga thankful kami nga may ara Kusinata nga nagbulig sa amon.
Isa na bala ka Bible verse where you, instead of just giving a man a fish, it's more of teaching a person how to fish. Kay it only made sense sa ako na muna nga mag-restaurant kay sang sa sige lang ta dole out hatag muna tuluan na sila magpangabuhi kay it would last a long time compared na magsige lang hatag-hatag.
Ang sa ako niya, thankful ko sa tanan-tanan nga isa ko nga nagamit nga ihimplo nga para mapabalo nga ari pa kami nga mga ata. Thankful ko sa inyo, sa Kusinata, sa government nga ara kamo gaalalay sa amon.
Throughout the 6 years din namon, dako gid ko na learn sa ila tanan. Both kami duha ni ma'am ko.